Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, how to create this type of letter manipulation with AI for free. First go to the bing.com. Now select the images and choose Create. Now I am writing a prompt you can copy from description box. Hit Create button. After a few seconds, see the result. You can try by changing the country name and its letter. So here the result you can easily download for free. Trying more images, just change the country name. You can create the prompt idea from ChatGPT. Also see that easily download the images whatever you want. That is the end of our video. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.